Welcome to Conversations in Automation with C&E Advanced Technologies. I'm Donnie Bischoff, excited today to welcome Scott Mohr with Fortress. Scott, how you doing?
Great, thank you very much for having me.
Scott, can you tell us a little bit about your role, what you do at Fortress?
I have been with Fortress for 6 years. I'm a regional sales manager. I cover multiple states within the continental United States, and I work to help solve customers' safeguarding needs.
So everybody in the industry knows Fortress and safety. So what's new and exciting with Fortress?
Well, that's a good question because there's a lot of new exciting things happening with Fortress. A lot of our customers understand us as Fortress Interlocks. Now we have branded ourselves as Fortress Safety. We've created a new website which goes into more detail on that. But what we have done is we have acquired a new company that deals with pneumatic and hydraulic safety. So they're a company called Fluidsentry out of Australia, and they manufacture a robust pneumatic and hydraulic safety valves. So this helps us get into more of the market for more machine safety. Then also what we have done is we have paired with B11 Standards Inc., which writes these ANSI B11 standards for US machine safeguarding. And we provide a course that deals with the key aspects of machine guarding. So Fortress is not only going to still be manufacturing the interlocks that our customers know and love and developing those interlocks as we go, but we're getting more into the pneumatic and hydraulic safety valve applications and also getting more into the safety standards. Just another portfolio to help customers with all of their safety needs.
Scott, what's a trendy need in the industry that you see that Fortress is addressing and going above and beyond to help customers?
There's really two. The first one deals with machine builders and integrators. Fortress has a full line of what we call control stations, push button stations, that we produce in Erlanger, Kentucky, so locally. And customers can customize this with anything from e-stops to push buttons to selector switches. They can engrave the push buttons and get it exactly how they want it with a quick disconnect on the bottom. So as it comes out of the box, all they have to do is mount it to their machines and run a cable to it and run it back to their relay system. This is something a lot of our integrators and machine builders don't know that we have, and they build their own push button stations, and they understand as we start to talk to them about it that we can actually do it less expensive than they can do it, so a full solution right out of the box. The next product that we're really having great success with in a lot of applications is our network solutions. Fortress obviously is known for their interlocking, but with our network solutions, we have multiple dual channel safety inputs that we have within our network pod, and also we have a bunch of I/O outputs that we have available as well. So customers are using this solution to eliminate I/O blocks, eliminate a lot of different I/O components within their system that they can run through the Fortress, and also with the safety that's involved in that as well.
So are these on-the-shelf products? Are they customized for each job? How does that work?
Fortress does everything customizable, and that is one of our advantages in the industry. We don't have any products that are off the shelf. What we do is we sit down with the customer and we figure out what their needs are, and then we build a product for their needs.
You mentioned Fluidsentry earlier. How excited is Fortress to introduce Fluidsentry?
We're very excited. It brings just another product line to Fortresses as a safety company as a whole. It's an Australian-based company that does nothing but pneumatic and hydraulic safety valves. And with that acquisition, manufacturing is still going to be done in Australia, but this is a little bit different product than Fortress has done before because it is more of an off-the-shelf type product. Different valve sizes and those kind of applications, but for the most part, it's the valve is the same, it's the manifold that changes. So that's something that Fortress is going to be able to stock in our Erlanger, Kentucky facility.
Why a pneumatic approach to safety? What made that important for Fortress to take a look at?
Well, one thing that customers don't realize, and if they start taking the B11 course or look into our B11 LMSS course, there's 50 plus pages that deal in the B11 standards of nothing but pneumatic and hydraulic safety. A lot of customers overlook the pneumatic and hydraulic safety. And as I mentioned, 50 plus pages is quite a bit of content.
What's the nuances of having a pneumatic safety system?
Well, what you're able to do is with our product is just like our interlocks, it's all dual channel safety system. So it's solenoid and monitoring. So not only are you knowing that when you open that door to go in there that the valves are closed, but you're getting that monitoring contact back to the safety relay to say, yes, that valve is closed and the pneumatics are bled out of the system. So you know for sure 100% dual channel category 4 PLE safety standards that pneumatic system is safe when your operators enter that system.
So from a mechanical standpoint, whether it's pneumatics or otherwise, it's just as safe. It's a viable option that I could pay attention to.
Very much so, very much so. And it just like a lot of our other products, it's going to meet the highest category and safety ratings that are on the market.
Tell me about a post-sale and the relationship between Fortress and their customers.
Fortress has a large team of not only engineering, so if you need help integrating your interlocks or integrating your network solutions into your system, we're able to help. We also have technical support in Erlanger, Kentucky, which can be done over the phone, can be done via Zoom, or also be done in person. And as Fortress continues to grow that, we're continuing to add people into those roles to be able to go onto site to help customers with an issue. If they have a broken lock, if they need help integrating it into their system, we're able to help in all those aspects.
Scott, I'd be remiss for not mentioning the new website. Why should I check that out?
We're hoping that customers can go on and find more information that they need in a little bit quicker manner. And then also there's a lot of online configuration tools that our customers use, and we have updated those and are continuing to update those to make it a little more user-friendly for the customer.
Scott, thanks for coming in. I appreciate your time. Once again, thank you for watching Conversations in Automation. We're excited to see you next time.